Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Microsoft Excel add-ins for workflow automation, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening Microsoft Excel on your device. Navigate to the Insert tab located on the top ribbon. Click on Get Add-ins to open the Office Add-ins window. In the Office Add-ins window, you can browse or search for specific add-ins. Select the add-in you wish to use for workflow automation. Click on Add to install the selected add-in. Once the add-in is installed, it will appear on your Excel ribbon. Click on the add-in icon to launch it. You may be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. Enter your Microsoft account credentials and click Sign In. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete the additional verification steps. After signing in, the add-in may require permission to access certain features or data. Review the permissions and click Allow to grant access. The add-in will now be fully authorized and ready for use. Follow any additional setup instructions provided by the add-in. Once configured, you can start using the add-in to automate your workflow in Excel. To revisit or manage your add-ins, go back to the Insert tab and select My Add-ins. Here, you can remove or update your add-ins as needed. Ensure that your Excel is updated regularly for optimal performance with add-ins. If you encounter issues during the authorization process, check your internet connection and try signing in again. You can also consult the add-ins support documentation for troubleshooting tips. Using authorized add-ins can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline processes within Excel. Experiment with different add-ins to find the ones that best fit your workflow needs. Keep exploring the capabilities of Excel add-ins to fully leverage their potential in your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.